Hi guys, did a little update of my Trek 990. Put on some wide Motobars with BMX stem, and as before I have my John Tomac Magura in red with some DT Swiss 370 hubs, black rims, Gravelking SK. Really nice setup, rolling well, enough grip. Some grippy PD 400 Shimano pedals, and those are XT M7060 or 7070 cranks. Narrow wide chainring, my normal inner tube chainstay wrap, and running this is a 1x10, an XT derailleur, and to have some more brown into it, Brooks B17 saddle. Trying to get all of these details. That's also a red end cap there. Rides really well. One of my favorite bikes, super comfortable, feels fast and playful. Yep, let me know what you think in the comments. Have a nice Sunday. Bye bye.